Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to use the mouse controls on the Nintendo Switch 2. So it's a nice little feature and it does work very well. We can use either Joy-Con, so we're just going to detach one of the Joy-Cons. This is the surface that you need to be rubbing it against. You can use the little straps if you want a smoother experience, but it works fine just like this. So you need to put them down like that, and then when you give it a bit of a wiggle, give it a bit of a rotation, you can all of a sudden see a cursor comes up on screen. So hopefully that's coming across in the camera here. And basically we want to be able to click in by using a click button, by using the R or the ZR, or if you're using this one, L and ZL. And also we can use the analog sticks to scroll through the menus. So let's say now if I'm using it like a mouse, I can go down to system settings and I can just click one of the shoulder buttons there, and you can see I'm on here now. So now to move through the menus we can use the analog stick. So watch this now. You can see I'm going through the menus here. Or I can hold the button down and then I can drag up like this. So let's say now if I want it to go into controllers, then I can do the ZR or R, and that will bring me in here, and then I can hold down and do that, or I can simply just scroll with my thumb using this here. So it's quite nice. And then you have mouse sensitivity, so you can even adjust the mouse sensitivity in here as well. So if you find it's too sensitive, you can click in there and you can do it slower. So if I do it slower now, it's not going to move around as quick. Let's see what fast is like. Yeah, and you can see it's moving much quicker. So that's it, and then we can go to, let me put it back to default. Let's go to back, and then we're back here. Yeah, and you can see I can do that, or I can just use my analog stick. And the same applies to this side here. Again, just place it down here and then you can use it here. So if you were left-handed, you would be using this one here probably, and then you can click in where you want, and you do the same thing again. So you can use your there. Let's see what happens if we use both. So now that one there, yeah, so you can actually use both if you wanted. There'd be no reason why you would use both, but you can see left and right, so they're both working at the same time there. So it's all incredibly easy to use. Nice little feature. Thanks for watching.